Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to pay with cash when ordering through the McDonald's app in 2025. Many people think the app is only for card payment, but you can actually still pay with cash at the restaurant. Let's get started. First, download the official McDonald's app from the App Store or Google Play. If you don't already have it, open the app, sign in with your account or create a new one if you are a first time user. So place your order. Next, browse the menu and add the items. When you are done, tap on your cart and select checkout. Then at checkout, the app will ask you to select payment options. Normally you will see debit or credit card, PayPal or Apple Pay. But if you want to pay with cash, option cash on choose the option for pay in restaurant or pay at counter. This tells the system that you will pay when you arrive. Once you place the order, hit to you select McDonald's restaurants at the counter or quakes. So your order number from the apps, then simply head over the cash to the cashiers. They will process your payment and you will receive your food as usual. A few quick notes: not all McDonald's locations supports cash payment for apps order, so double check at your local branches. If the cash option doesn't appear in the apps, it means that restaurant only accept digital payments. Always confirm your pickup methods: counter, curb, curbside, or drive through. So the staff knows where to deliver your order once you have paid. And that's it. That's how you pay with cash on the McDonald's apps in 2025. Just order through the apps, select pay the restaurant, and then 100 hand over your cash. When you pick up, easy and convenient. If this guide help you and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Thanks for watching the video.